Now, after you've tuned your 808, because that's the first thing you should be doing, this is some neat tricks that you can do to ensure your 808 sounds good in your mix. First thing you would do is click on your 808 and go to right click and then go to something that's called cut yourself. There's two ways you can do it. You can right click and click here, or you can click on the audio track inside the channel rack, go to your your malicious functions, and then go to where it says group and click cut yourself, and it will automatically activate where it says cut yourself, and that will help your 808s not clashing with each other, and it will just cut. So when one needs to come in, it will just cut itself basically. So that's one thing you could do. Second thing you could do is click on your 808, go to here, your envelope, and then activate it. So you click on this button and you'll turn everything down except from the hold. You'll turn that all the way up, and that will basically just help whenever you're playing your 808 on your MIDI keyboard, or if you're playing on your normal keyboard on your laptop or PC, whatever you're using. As soon as you release off a key, it will release. So for example, so as soon as I've let go of the key, it comes off straight away. And as you can hear, when I click two notes, it cuts each other, so it doesn't clash with each other. See? So that's what's happened. So that's another trick you can do. And yeah, so tune your 808, cut yourself, go to this envelope knob, activate it. What else can you do? Okay, here. So you click on your malicious functions tab, and where it says polyphony here, you'll focus on that. And basically, you can go to mono, and you can use your slide, which will basically help your 808 slide from one note to another, so it will just blend with each other. So did you hear that? Look. And you can use this for when you're playing, so when you want to slide from one note to another. So yeah, that helps. And then this max will just be the amount of 808s you want to play at the same time. It's best just to leave this as low as possible or off, and leave it on mono. So that's another thing. You can either slide it up if you want it to slide a little bit later. So yeah, that's 3 tricks you can do. So like I said before, always tune it. Go to you cut yourself. You'll go into your envelope, put it on hold to the top, and then you'll obviously put your polyphony on. So let's just quickly just do an 808 pattern to see what it sounds like. That's what I'm hearing. But let's make sure this is in the right key, so let's go to F. So always make sure you're using the right key. Let's go. So to make them slide onto each other, you obviously have to have it overlapping, like. So how it slides here. Watch how it's sliding right here. Okay, go. Yeah, so that's basically what it will sound like. And it's basically just clear. Hello? Yeah. That's a few tricks on how to just do some tricks for your 808s to make them sound better and clearer. Hope that helped. Like and subscribe for more. It's easy. Just hit those buttons underneath this video. Follow me on my social media pages. All links are in the description below. Tidy Engineer.